taken, just be.
Good morning, family. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, I am going to show you our Glam master bedroom for Christmas 2020. Hope you enjoy. If you do, let me know in the comment down below, and also give this video a big thumbs up. But this video is in collaboration with one of my beautiful sisters here on YouTube. Now let's get started. Yes, let's get it on Lucky Boss with me, styled by Miss Linda. Let's get started, guys. As you had me, I am collaborating with my YouTube sister Tenji. Tenji and I have done several collabs together. If you missed them, I will link some of those videos in my description box down below. In today's video, I am going to show you our Glam master bedroom for Christmas 2020. Thank you so much for stopping by. When you are done watching my video, head over to her channel, show her some love, let her know that Linda sent you. If you love my style, definitely you will love Tenji's style because our style is similar. Okay, so now let's get started. Let's get it done. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, tumbling down, round and around. I'm falling just like these snowflakes, falling. If you are from Tenji's channel, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Linda. I am a wife, stay-at-home mom of 3. On my channel, I post cleaning, cooking, tons of home decor. Please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love you to be part of my YouTube family. Thank you so much and hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, let me know in the comment down below, and also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share with your friend and your family. Now keep on watching to see the final result. Okay guys, now let's talk about everything. Beautiful throw pillows are from the gallery. I have 2 of them, $100 each with 30% off. They're also beautiful. I love using white sheet on my bed. I just love white sheet. Throw blanket from the gallery. I have 2 of them, $89 each with 30% off. The gallery is expensive, but 30% off, I think it's good, you know. I just love it. And the tray is from Burlington for $39.99. I just love the tray. So beautiful, so glam. You know I'm a glam girl, so glam. The deal is from TJ Maxx for $12.99. This little Christmas tree is from Burlington for $5.99. It's so beautiful. This thing, I don't know how you call it, guys. I love it. I use it to store my remote control. I remember when I used to saw it all over on Instagram, and I said, you know what, this thing is so beautiful. Now I have it. I found it at Burlington for $16.99. This little clear jar, whatever the name you call it, is from Home Goods for $12.99. You know, but my favorite shade. So beautiful. I love white sheets so much. Now adding my essential oil to make the bedroom, more cozy. Smells so good. That's the final result, guys. So beautiful. The Joy pillows from TJ Maxx for $24.99. Look at the width. The width is from Home Goods. I think $34.99, but I add my ornaments in it to make it a little bit thicker. That's so beautiful. Everything turned out so beautiful. I love everything. The pillow on the bench is from PM1 for $34.99 with 20% off. Everything turned out so beautiful. I just love everything. I love everything. Turned out so beautiful, and I am so proud of myself. That's the second row from the gallery. The gorgeous pillow are from TJ Maxx, $24.99. The vases from the gallery and the flowers from Home Goods. So beautiful. And look at my mantle. I did a great job, right? The deals from Burlington. I'm not Burlington. The deals from Home Goods. Everything turned out so beautiful. I just love everything. Wow. I'm telling you, I love everything. This Christmas tree is from Walmart. I love this Christmas tree. So beautiful, so skinny. Very nice. So beautiful. This Christmas tree was a pre-light one, but I didn't like the way it's turned out when I turned it on. So I decided to use to order me some light on Amazon. So that's the light. The light is not blue. It's look like blue, but it's not blue. It's so beautiful. I just love the light so much. You can change it in different setting. I love everything. The Christmas tree turned out so beautiful. Look at my mantle, guys. I love everything. Everything. Love everything. Okay, guys, thank you so much for stopping by to watch my video. Hope you enjoy. If you do, give this video a big thumbs up, share with your friend and your family. See you next time in my next one. May the Lord continue to bless each and every one of you. Thank you guys so much. To all my new and returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming back. I truly appreciate your love and support. Your comment and liking are truly appreciative. May the Lord continue to bless each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time in my next one. Look at this Christmas tree. It's so beautiful and perfect. So beautiful. Thank you guys so much. See you next time in my next one. Bye. Ciao. Ta-ta.
Promise and make it through all our flaws, 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 all our flaws. It's a cold embrace, ain't it? It's a big mistake to be falling back to the stuff we know will fail.
Thank you guys so much for stopping by. See you next time in my next one. Bye, ciao, tata, au revoir, à la prochaine, adios.
The things I meant, know that I'm not being honest, not the way I wanted us to make sense. I just wanna be the one who loves you. I just wanna be the one. Face the heat and maybe make a promise and make it through